Guys and girls, welcome to Knowledge Effortless. Myself Sagar Budraja. I'm gonna tell you every update of Apple event of 2021, that is WWDC 21. Basically, I'm going to summarize the whole event of WWDC 21. And also at last I'm going to tell you when will you get these updates and features in your Apple devices. So guys and girls, are you ready to know the updates, features and what all you will get in the upcoming updates in Apple products? Are you excited about these new updates and features which you will get soon in your Apple devices? Please let me know in the comment section, and if you want to appreciate my work, then do like this video. I will feel grateful. So let's start with one of the most amazing feature of Apple products, that is FaceTime. Apple is bringing spatial audio to FaceTime to make it sound more natural and comfortable. Spatial audio on FaceTime will make voice more prominent and remove background voices, and Apple is also adding a grid format to the videos on FaceTime. And interestingly, FaceTime to also get portrait mode. And the biggest update regarding FaceTime, that FaceTime also get an option to create link so that you can use it cross-platform across web and non-iOS devices, which are obviously Android. Apple has also announced SharePlay, which will allow for group listening, watching and screen sharing, all via FaceTime. All call participants can manage playback and can also sync view for videos. iMessage gets new stacked photos feature, except that Apple Music gets new shared list feature. Notifications also have a new look. Profile icons on notifications are now bigger. You will also see schedulable notification summaries. iOS 15 comes with a new focus feature to tweak what you want to pay attention to. You can also create your own custom focus, and all your settings sync across your iCloud devices. And my personal favorite new feature, iOS 15 gets new live text feature which automatically recognizes text in images including handwritten and make it selectable, and you can even copy and paste it, and that's amazing. iOS weather app has now a new design. Interestingly, Apple Maps now has more details like crosswalks and bike lanes. Few US cities will also see 3D city experience on the app. Siri senior engineer Gagan Gupta talks about the improvements to AirPods. AirPods Pro get new conversation mode which will automatically boost conversation volume. AirPods also get ambient Find My feature even when they are in the case. I told you about spatial audio, right? Spatial audio comes to tvOS and M1 powered Macs. Let's jump to iPad OS 15. iPad finally gets home screen widgets and app library. And with app library on iPad, you can also hide pages and rearrange them. Here is a big multitasking boost to iPads. iPads get a new multitasking shortcut that will easily let you switch between apps in split view. There will also be a shelf at the bottom that will show you all the open apps. Notes. Who all use Notes? Notes in iPads gets mention and hashtags. After that, iPads also get quick notes that you can use parallelly with third-party apps and sites, and easily drag and note links and text. Apple Mails get mail privacy protection that hides your IP address, location and disables trackers. And you know what? Siri has now 600 million monthly active users. That is crazy. Siri also gets on-device speech recognition, which means the audio never leaves the device. Apple now lets you add legacy contacts so that when you pass on, your details can be passed on. Apple announces new way to recover Apple account. You can now set a recovery contact who can't access your account, but you can call them to get a code to get into your account. This will alert you in case you have a fall risk, and that is very useful. 3 other updates you will see in your Apple Health app. Like Health app will now let you track the health of your family members. This will basically let you set family sharing within the Health app so that you can get heart rate notifications or other health reports of your family members. Who all use Breathe app in Apple Watches? Let me know in the comment section, because the Breath app has a redesign on watchOS 8. Now if we are talking about Apple Watches, so let me tell you some more updates that you will get in Apple Watches. Just like Apple Watch will now track your respiratory rate, and also Apple Watch gets new Tai Chi workouts. Apple Watch gets new portraits watch face. You can rearrange and resize the timestamp so that your image stands out. And you can now also send images to messages and mails on Apple Watch itself. Now we're gonna talk about Mac OS. And finally, Mac OS has a name. That is Mac OS Monterey. Mac OS gets SharePlay and Universal Control. Universal Control lets you drag and share details across iMac, MacBooks and iPads. Mac OS Monterey brings AirPlay to iMacs. Oh, Safari has a gorgeous new redesign. And also tab bar has been redesigned. Along with that, tab on iPhones has also been redesigned. Web extensions rolling out to iPads and iPhone. That's a brilliant update. Developers will now be able to make custom product pages for their apps. Now the most important thing you all have been waiting for, when we will get these interesting updates in our OS. So let me clear it out. The developer beta for all the new OS will be available starting today, and the public beta will be rolled out in July. Now guys and girls, I want to ask you one thing. You are most excited for which feature or update and on which Apple device? Please tell me in the comment section. I really want to know. Do like this video and share this video with all your friends who all are Apple lovers. See you with another interesting video. Till then, keep getting knowledge effortlessly.